was talking about these the other day. See, you should wear this time for mine, by the way. This one says Lifeline. I don't know. I don't know where I got it. I think one of my parents probably got it. And so there's the blue one. There's my blue one. And I went to camp, Boy Scouts, one time. Story for a different day. See? And there's plenty more water. And it wasn't even full. Green one. Now, my mom already opened this one up because it didn't say Amazon like this one did. So we weren't sure. But she already opened this one up. Purple with a white lid, not a silver one. But it has Nalgene. I did spell it wrong. I feel like a failure. It's all dusty too. But look at, oh man, my last one, the word, all of this was good. Oh, made in the USA. That's completely worn off on the other bottle that I lost. But yeah. Oh, the lids match perfectly. That lid broke. I have another lid on the other one that's outside, my other green one, that also broke. It's a different lid. I keep trying to say the color. I don't know why. But gotta open this one up. Do. Always be careful cutting boxes. Whoa. My finger is like right here, and I just went like that. Got a little scared for a second. Amazon, why is your tape so good? Why? I'm going like this, and it's not doing anything. I gotta like come underneath it with pressure. Yeah. This is supposed to be red. It's like not even a silver lid. Well, I guess it kinda is. Can you see that? It's kinda like clearish. But dude, another Nalgene bottle. There's a sticker on it. Put that up there. I almost have a Power Rangers team. Actually, with my pink one. Dude, it has a different logo on it. That's awesome. Still got this information, but cut out some of that. But I mean, I don't really use that, so it's not really a big deal. But yeah, I basically have a Power Rangers team, although I have purple instead of yellow. And I have a bottle belt. This thing looks really cool, actually. It's like, oh my gosh, really? You stapled it? You stapled it. What the ow! Freaking A, I just got stabbed by a staple. A staple. That was stupid. Let's not throw that on the floor. I'm smart. Look at this color. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, look at the color. It's so cool. I like it. It's purple and green. My color and my sister's favorite color. My favorite color and my sister's favorite color. And I really like purple and green together. Actually, it's more of a maroon. Maroon? Is that the color I'm thinking of? Magenta, maybe. I'm not sure. Comment what color you think these are. But, it don't make sense. Doesn't even have a clip. Oh my gosh. It's being difficult. It doesn't seem to want to go on. Whatever. I'll figure it out later. But yeah. Power Rangers water bottles. Plus the second green. But anyway, I lost that bottle. But while I was there, at the King County Cougars game. There was potential of storms, and it was really awesome because they still did the fireworks even though it was raining. So I shot footage of the fireworks, and I got, I think, 3, maybe more shots, 3 or more lightning strikes behind the fireworks. It was actually pretty cool. Honestly, before it even happened, I looked at the person I was sitting next to. I'm like, dude, you know, it'd be really cool if there was some lightning behind these fireworks. And there was. I was like, yes. Mother Nature making fireworks better. Check it. I just wanna feel this moment. With the beast inside, there's nowhere we can hide. Counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. And on that note, I'm going to retire the lifeline and leave it here and continue using these 3, or start using these 3. Maybe I'll set, I should probably set all 3 of these to the side, have them washed, and then whichever the first one I grab after they're washed, it'll just be a random. I'll probably let y'all know in my next video. But I'm gonna stick to the Camp Decora one for now. I really kind of want to go with the pink. Not the pink. Well, pink is pretty cool. It's got a pretty cool little thing on it. But I was looking right at the purple. This purple looks so cool. And plus, it's such a basic looking one too. It's just purple, Nalgene, that stuff, white lid. So yeah. On that note, maybe commit your weirdness. See you on Sunday, y'all. It's not just a knife. It's super knife.